And to a true for or semi dancing ewa brochre on the 12th of December. And a gusono. It is a shame. Bulldog should bow his head down in shame for coming out to defend Mr. Logic. Say asemna sinanya no kura mumusa mo say edi enti na ye interview Mr. Logic ewo UTV. And never na Mr. Logic here no except a drug addict, because I know people who are drug addicts.
Look at me. Do I look like junkie now?
Logic gave me story and even gave me story on Fadda Dickson.
1 year dear. I did not expect such falsehood to come from a person like you.
Mr. Logic Timi ama CID ni ba no. Na me person police for mo ejimi sa.
So who frame me? Na say me deny na say who factor. Then you can do that. If
Sawa ba no kwa no, father man is kakwa man more than 300,000 Ghana cedis. It is 3 billion.
Yes, come on. If you are yes, 1 year dear. Oh, yes, 1 year dear cry.
And the drug addiction. And the many buyer the oil no. And Mr. Fadda Dickson, me say I am not alleging. The idea bloggers ka ama story na Emma out and come. And drugs. And answer aviator and Alpha brand true. Remember man. Why not? He's my brother. Logic is my brother. Sisi akra maker say me grano. Still he's my brother. And I'm saying it as a sister who needs help for my brother. Muntie me can some way to say Ogyaba. Me who say baby ade ne kono. Enye it is a shame. Bulldog should bow his head down in shame for coming out to defend Mr. Logic. Say asemna sinanya no kura mumusa mo say edi enti na ye interview Mr. Logic ewo UTV. Me busa mo general question. Edi enti na Mr. Logic ye interview no UTV. Adi enti na Mr. Logic ye interview no ewo akwasi abwaji show so because Fadda Dickson kwa wadi edino. I am not saying allegedly. I am giving you people facts. Facts. And to a true for or semi dancing ewa brochre on the 12th of December. And a gusono. Pepacho mu. Muwana mu. Unwano wa mama ye date no ni pa kura. Owo sono. Pepacho muwana mu. I am doing this because I love Mr. Logic. I'm saying it again. There is something going on which is so wrong with Mr. Logic. And he needs help. He needs help. On the 12th of December, and I'm receiving call. Says, good evening, thanks for the rich. Can I call you? And you. I remember Mr. Logic, a frame. A frame, no discuss problem. So discuss a problem, no. And what happened? I'm a bomb, a couple bidding say, and you call it pass to Mexico. Now we'll be born. On the 13th.
Lemno. Hello, Afia. Enti Saka Prophet Uche Nusisia, Mena Casasisia. Na Michel say, person can be Huno. And the woman say, we took one to South Africa here. That was 2 months ago, before election. No. Because South Africa could be Sikebe and I'm a Masaya Bagana. Intino me Bagana Krabe 3 weeks in here. In the time of South Africa, Mene Kasaya, Onukra Frame, and a joining me bomb by an idea. Into one in the no. Yankasa shocking me. Into my friends who man confidence and say, when I would know man because I'm in a Casa South Africa. 3 months ago, so me Bagana Mabiuno.
Me more do you I just want you to ascertain that the conversation going on here is Mr. Logic. My brother approached me for help. And I felt, you know what? Let me give you a better help. Kwa no me mama story. But on mama story no me find out from Prophet Uche no. Now Prophet Uche kwa maniska. Fine. Mr. Logic, at some point, now oba sorry wo Ogyaba. Meaning na kwa sorry wo Ogyaba. And it's a problem. Now kwa sorry wo baby, you can go to your pastor and speak to your pastor. And nothing you kwa sorry. Kone wa just a wo Afia wo ni Ogyaba kasa. It became very lengthy. However, me for phone, na me friend, me papa Ogyaba. Na me catch as a prophet. I think some Logic won channel. Na ensensem no ka ne do so. Enti no me pesa wo bua no. Na me kan ya no Ogyaba busa am say akwankwa ni say Logic wo Ghana. And I'm say papa Logic wo Ghana so what I be. Mr. Logic the visa be chere be say wo kwa America. I'ma make crampo my money $500. Say one fan can sika wo no nko. And to me is Mr. Logic wo Ghana. So I called Logic back. And I'm like, Logic, na san koma woni mi bedi woni Ogyaba di dada Ogyaba si Ogyaba kwa afi na me nua story adoso afi de Mr. Logic si opeso okosirem tio opeso okosirem ko jisika wo bi ho na me Afia Schwar o di adwuma ebedi me opesa wo kota maleko sireska wako wuche ho amana ma 2000 Ghana cedis 2000 intimi fa unko sirem me na me ma o plane tickets. Never cause my one me kun say boy no a junkie. Forget it. And Tianunie, thank you very much. Please put in word on Ogyaba 2 for me. I would like to go there tomorrow. And I did it. I am saying all this because Mr. Logic needs help. And never Mr. Logic here, no, except a drug addict, because I know people who are drug addicts, except a junkie. Obianti mi nyasa. Any me too mrano machiresi. And I did call Ogyaba. And when I called Ogyaba, I realized that Mr. Logic came to me. Sir, what didn't call for can I will prescribe to take it about Ogyaba yenduma etuya womoka. I didn't buy that story. However, I told him Kokache Wunya Uche. Prophet Uche is my brother. Oko bomidin obebo. Oko en brand man in 2000 catch so china cobra. Oba and still me man connecting to Ogyaba. I called Ogyaba. Ogyaba is like me. Oh, Logic in your back cram me meja na quantity if you are there assembly. I went back to Logic. Logic was giving me stories. Logic gave me story and even gave me story on Fadda Dickson, thinking that ABS say me father near fine, intimate finding out anything you say about Fadda Dickson. Meaning I'll go and find out the truth, because Father konkonsan kiti no die ba onye nipa boni ni nti wu twa no ntra mekwa kobisa. And when I went to that house, I realized that Sika Fadda Dickson netia o Mr. Logic tiri so no about 5 billion. Muntie. Emu ye china ko police station. Fada ko Belino. Fada ko tuya enkrofo na odi wo mo ka. Muntie story we me na make. This is not alleged. And a father mo ko Belino. And a father mo ko Belino muntie. Father mo ko Belino no. Police ni ba na CID ni na case no one in semno. CID ni ba no or ministry police station. First year for Odopsu. Sa police station or ministries opposite court of Fufana ye no. CID ni ba na or investigating Mr. Logic for fraud no. Mr. Logic have fraud CID ni ba no. Hallelujah somebody. Yesu. CID ni ba na ochi Mr. Logic no. Na on the craft fraud case, no. Mr. Logic Timmy Ama CID ni ba no. Na me person police for mo Jimmy sir. E bi no mo Jimmy fucking. CID ni ba na watching Mr. Logic for fraud no maame no. According to maame no, Mr. Logic friend no catch and say, dear why am me dear minim dem de beda wase. Na me deal in car business. Enti no say wo pe car. O peka na so bi peka o bre mi ska na matona me dia brown and now no police ni bana o chi Logic so we di fraud wo bi no ono sa police ni ban ekoto ne car and no this scanning na ma Mr. Logic say on di no koto car ma no ono kwa police ni ban no or Logic o hu no because me ono police ni no or like Logic on dia say me checks and balance. Yes, me catch on. Me say asana me cano. Me for allegedly encounter. Because I am telling you the gospel truth. Me check and balance. Na Mr. Logic. Emma Obabi call Fadda Dickson ho. Or send a year no. Emma ne kwa jiji ska o Fadda ho. Sa wa ba no kwa no. Fadda man is ska kwa man more than 300,000 Ghana cedis. Titiska 3 billion. Aye. More that dear. You can't cry to a cemetery. What castle na me did you see? Na me subtract, na me add, na me do we come. Oba say me few be me mfa call send me message and me ma pick it dada, ma pick it. Na me tie sika. Free even and crofobin some and crofo Logic mo jiji sika e wo Fadda ho sika free Fadda ho akọ Mr. Logic yire ne nsam sika free asofo no ho akọ Mr. Logic nsam a Mr. Logic on si dan wo baby no wakase wo de ko dan na wo si no minim ka papa bia Mr. Logic tim ye design ya tie guso aye ton yi dodo send one say Mr. Logic. It is only drugs, a drug addiction. And the many pie the oil, no. Me say Fadda Dickson, me say I am not alleged. Fadda Dickson says logical kwan pro 5 billion 500,000. I did to Logic ka me pacho de di tua bloggers ka ama story na Emma out and come Kaka under the ground money thank you for money bill and come on. And see, I am very, very disappointed in Bulldog because Bulldog ain't him the minimi or Bia or UTV United Shop-based panel so or him the minimi. So why will Bulldog come out and defend a friend who is falling apart instead of speaking the truth and seeking help for Logic? Because Logic, Sikana watching on the ending.
Yeah, there is nothing going on. No. We call Ogyaba, the intention that was like 4.5 months ago, not a US time, but they no program visa no crack on. So when I went that time, that ticket near that was almost the ticket was like $1,800. With the cost this month, it was almost 20-something thousand. But we call Ogyaba, he gave me $500. Till now, at that time, the issue was really hot. So I top up. $500 on there was like 7,000 Ghana cedis. And I made 5,000 count, I made toll ticket, I made call South Africa.
I mean, about America, you can, because this is the so-called ticketer. Logic, I just send me. This is so-called ticketer, Logic, I just send me. You can come to America with about $1,500. I don't know. I'm saying you can go through Kenya and somewhere and be here. And I don't know what $1,000 we see in South Africa. Quillet Mitchell says, all I'm saying is I am doing this because I love Mr. Logic. And so I'm not gonna give any more details. Mr. Logic is in trouble. I just say Mr. Logic. What torture and also about drugs. And you asa. Me busana say, I then I won't fret Kwame Plus. He said he doesn't want to talk about it. I realized that no United Showbiz no crown. Wa bomb money na busiensi. Eya drugs. And I say aviator and Alpha Brady true. I didn't expect Bulldog to do what he did. It was really childish and unnecessary. When they make him Panachia is not ticket to chop my money. If I've given you free pussy, it should be enough for you. A Panachia, it is not a carpet or platform to waste my money and threatening me. I am telling you people, I'm not alleged. Me for alleged means shawada. Police in Iba wama logic bill. Maame no ministry police station. Donsu police station. Accra court. I want a police station. Oko ministries as a police station. Maame no wo ho.